Happy Earth Week, boys and girls. I just want to share with you something my daughter did to recycle and reuse things. She took egg cartons and cut them apart, planted each plant in a piece of the egg carton. So like the big pack, she just rip it apart, put your soil in, and she put more soil in this bin. And planted some tomato seeds here. And over here are bean plants. She just took beans out of my kitchen cupboard. You can see they're just white navy beans. And she planted them in the soil and watered them. I didn't think they would grow, and they did. They're right over here. And these right here are pepper seeds. She took the pepper out of the fridge and cut it in half. Found the seeds inside and planted them, and they also grew. I actually didn't think this would grow or that, but she gave it some sunlight and water and it did grow. Today we're going to measure them. We're going to see how many plants are more than 5 inches tall and how many plants are less than 5 inches. So this one is less than 5 inches, and we'll give it a tally mark if it's less. And this is more than 5. We'll give it a tally mark if it's more. So you might remember these from school. Number lines. There's 0, and here's number 10. I'm going to put it here. We're going to use our Legos in a minute. We're going to measure first plant with a ruler. You could also use your number line, because that's how I made my number line, was with a ruler. So I just took my piece of paper, started at 0, ended at 10, made the same marks on my paper, right above the number, and just copied the number right off of the ruler onto there, which is kind of cool. So I'm going to use my ruler, because it's just a bit easier to stand up. And we're going to see, there's 1, 2, 3, so it's about 3. The tomato plants are 3. So there's 1 right there. That's less than 5. I'm going to give it a tally mark. And this guy is just above 3. Here's number 5. It's still less than 5. Give it another tally mark. We can see they're about the same height. This guy looks a bit taller, so we'll just see. It's about a bit above 3 as well. That goes less than 5. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 3 is less than all of the 5. So 1, 2, 3. This looks about the same size. Let's see. Measure it on here. And it's, over 4. But 4 is still less than 5. So another tally mark over here. Less than 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. Yep, it's less than 5. So remember 1, 2, 3, 4. And a line across makes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants are less than 5. And these over here are all smaller than the rest, so we don't really need to measure them. There's 1 less than 5, 2 less than 5, 3 less than 5, and there's 1 hiding behind the bean plant. 4 less than 5. And let's measure George. She named her pepper plant George. He's right here. And it's less than 1. It's 1 less than 5. Yes, it is. So let's make another line. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A tally mark. So let's measure our big bean plants. I wonder, will it be less than 5 or more than 5? Wow. 1. I'll point with this marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're at 5. If we keep going, that means it's going to be more than 5. 6, 7, 8. 8 is more than 5. Finally, this team gets one. Let's measure our next one. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. Just 1 second here. It's a bit backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is here. Oh, we get to keep going. 7. Is 7 more than 5? Yes, it is. So let's see who won this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we want to count an individual line, or we could count our tally marks. 5, 10. So there's 10 plants that have less than 5. More than 5 have 1, 2. 2 have more than 5. So on our number line, here's number 5. Maybe we'll just circle number 5. Here's number 5. There's 0 and 10. So we had 10 plants that were less than 5. So maybe we'll stack 10 Legos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 that are less than 5. Maybe we'll lay it right down here. And we had 2 that are more than 5, so closer to 10. 1, 2. So we measured our plants and we gathered our information. We know we have 5 less than 5, we have 10 less than 5, and 2 more than 5. We could show that on our number line. That's less than 5, and this is more than 5. And you could show it like a bar graph. There's 10 Legos, and there's only 2 that are more than. So you can see there's more that are not so tall, and there's only 2 that were more than 5. So at home, you can take your Lego and you can measure some things around the house, and you can make your own number line. And if you don't have a ruler, you just have to make enough lines. So there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 lines, because we have the 0 in there. So you're going to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can make your own number line. You can measure your plants with your number line if you don't have a ruler.